Welcome to SaaS Beast Pro. In today's video, 7 hidden Obsidian features for Windows. Note-taking Pro, we're diving into powerful tools that level up your workflow. Stick around to learn exactly how to unlock these features. Now let's get started. Number 1, enable core plugins. Enabling core plugins is essential because it unlocks Obsidian's built-in tools that power many of its hidden features. This step ensures your workspace is fully equipped to use the advanced functions covered in this video. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1, open Obsidian. Launch the Obsidian app and open your vault to access your workspace. Step 2, go to Settings. Click the gear icon located in the bottom left corner to open the Settings menu. Step 3, open the Core Plugins menu. In the left sidebar, select Core Plugins to view the built-in feature list. Step 4, enable the plugins you want. Toggle on any plugin you need, such as Daily Notes, Templates, File Explorer, or Canvas. Number 2, customizing hotkeys. Customizing hotkeys is important because it lets you trigger your most used actions instantly, making Obsidian feel faster and more responsive. This boosts your productivity and helps you take notes without breaking focus. It's a simple tweak that significantly enhances your workflow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1, open Obsidian. Launch the Obsidian app and open your vault to access your workspace. Step 2, go to Settings. Click the gear icon located in the bottom left corner to open the Settings menu. Step 3, select hotkeys from the sidebar to see all available commands. This section lets you manage shortcuts for nearly every action in Obsidian. Step 4, use the search bar to locate a specific command you want to speed up, like New Window or Open New Note. This helps you avoid scrolling through long command lists. Step 4, click the plus icon if the command has no shortcut, or click the existing one to modify it. This allows you to personalize how each action is triggered. Step 5, press the keyboard combo you want to assign, and Obsidian will warn you if it's already in use. This helps prevent conflicts with other shortcuts. Step 6, click away from the input field or select Save to confirm your new shortcuts. Once saved, it becomes active immediately for faster note-taking. Number 3, enabling spell check is important because it helps you catch typos instantly and keep your notes clean and professional. This boosts clarity and makes your Obsidian workflow more reliable. It's a small feature that delivers big writing improvements. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner of Obsidian to access the Settings menu. This is where all your app preferences and writing tools are located. Step 2, in the left sidebar, select Editor to open the section that manages writing behavior. This is where Obsidian's spell check feature is controlled. Step 3, scroll through the editor options and toggle spell check on. Once activated, Obsidian will automatically underline any misspelled words as you type. Number 4, enabling Vim mode drastically speeds up your note-taking by allowing keyboard-driven editing without leaving the home row. It's perfect for power users who want to navigate and modify notes efficiently in Obsidian. This hidden feature transforms your workflow into a faster, more productive experience. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1, open Settings in Obsidian. This is where all customization options for your workspace are located. Step 2, navigate to the Editor tab. The Editor tab contains settings that affect how you write and interact with notes. Step 3, scroll down to the Advanced section. Advanced settings include optional features that enhance your editing experience. Step 4, toggle the switch for Vim key bindings. This activates Vim mode, giving you powerful keyboard shortcuts for faster editing. Step 5, a prompt might appear requiring you to type Q to confirm you understand how to exit Vim's command mode before it can be enabled. Once enabled, your editor will use Vim key bindings, allowing for faster navigation and editing using Vim commands in normal mode. Number 5, enabling live preview lets you see your markdown formatting in real time, reducing errors and saving editing time. It makes note-taking more intuitive and keeps your workflow smooth. This hidden feature is perfect for efficient Obsidian users. Here's how it's done. Step 1, open Settings in Obsidian. This is where all customization and editing options for your workspace are located. Step 2, in the sidebar, click on Editor. The Editor tab contains settings that control how you write and view your notes. Step 3. Find the default editing mode option and set it to Live Preview. This activates Live Preview, letting you instantly see your Markdown formatting while typing. Number 6. Update Obsidian plugins efficiently. Keeping your plugins updated ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. It prevents crashes and enhances your overall Obsidian experience. Efficient plugin management saves time and keeps your workflow seamless. Let's do it. Step 1. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner. This opens Obsidian's main settings menu, where all customization options are located. Step 2. Go to the General option. The General section contains overall settings, including update management for plugins. Step 3. Click the Check for Updates button at the top. This scans for any available updates for both Obsidian and installed plugins. Number 7. Enable Graph View for visual mapping. Graph View helps you visualize connections between notes, revealing patterns and relationships in your knowledge base. It makes navigating complex information easier and boosts productivity. This hidden feature turns your Obsidian Vault into a visual map. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Obsidian. Launch the Obsidian application to access your notes and vaults. Step 2. The ribbon is the vertical bar of icons on the left side of the screen where key tools are stored. Step 3. Click the Open Graph View icon, which looks like a network of dots and lines, to open the visual map of your notes. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more Obsidian tips and tricks.